Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Jessie. I hope that you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. Before starting my speech, I would like to say thank you to my all teacher for giving me a chance to share my opinion with everyone. So today I'd like to talk about what is football and how it was invented and also how it was spread out around the world. To begin with, what is football? Basically, football is a game which is played between two teams on each side, and the main object is to score more than the opposite side of the team within 19 minutes. And teams who score the most wins the games. So now I would like to talk about how it was invented. Football was first invented in England during 19th century. In 1862, the first football association was established, and they officially announced the rules of this game. And in 1872, the first football match was held between England and Scotland. And I love to watch football because it's a great way to bring people with together, like regardless of distance, culture, nationality. And also football games teach us how we can work as a team, discipline. So for all this reason, I love football. And I think football is one of the most enjoyable and prestigious game in the world now. That is all I wish to share with you guys. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Assalamu alaikum.